flood watch in effect through this evening. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? A portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Adams, Bedford, Blair, Cambria, Clearfield, Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Franklin, Fulton, Huntingdon, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Mifflin, Montour, Northern Center, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill, Snyder, Somerset, Southern Center, Southern Clinton, Southern Lycoming, Union, and York. When? Through this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Numerous rounds of heavy showers and thunderstorms will track east across the watch area today into this evening. Rainfall rates of over 1 inch per hour will occur, and flash flooding could occur where several thunderstorms drain across the same locations. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 492, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wolfsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other strong storms were developing along the Maryland-Pennsylvania border. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover, Marshfield, Littlestown, Shrewsbury, Cadorus, Fairiestown, Stewartstown, Glen Rock, Penville, Railroad, Loganville, and Winterstown. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 0 to 9. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and York.
Yeah, just give me the message again.
Warning for Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, western Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 9:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mexico to Spruce Creek to East Waterford, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, New Cumberland, Enola, Steelton, Lemoyne, and Plainfield.
Why is this one not getting
includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 205 to 239. Interstate 81 from mile markers 31 to 71. Interstate 83 from mile markers 40 to 50. Interstate 283 near mile marker 2. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, and Perry. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Harrisburg, York, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hanover, Hershey, Colonial Park, Weigelstown, Elizabethtown, Columbia, and Progress. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 239 to 274. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 2. Interstate 81 from mile marker 66 to 89. Interstate 83 between mile markers 1 and 40, and from mile markers 43 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York. Structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster, Lebanon, and York.